When we were looking to deploy automated valet parking in North America, we needed partners, so we looked to Bedrock for the infrastructure, we looked to Ford as an OEM.
And it made all the sense in the world to take our newest garage in Corktown, and Ford as the vehicle supplier, also very committed to Corktown, to sort of push the ball forward.
Ford has a lot of experience making smart vehicles, and it's great to operate with a company like Bosch that has a lot of experience creating smart technologies, and Bedrock, who's an important infrastructure partner within the city of Detroit.
Traditional partnerships that we used to rely on in the past need to be modified. You need to bring more partners into the fray so that you can find unique solutions that take advantage of different features of every partner.
It just makes all the sense in the world for these groups to get together to begin testing the types of technology that will change the shape of the city and the future.
So most people enjoy driving, but almost nobody likes parking. And if we can make parking easier for them, then that's something I think they'd really value.
The healthiest, most vibrant cities in the world are not built around a lot of parking, they're built around people.
If you can think about driving up to a drop-off zone, getting out of your car and just opening an app and telling your car to go park itself, and you don't have to worry about it or supervise it. And then when you are ready to pick up your car, you just summon it with the app, it comes back to you, you get in and drive away.
The more people that are using it to park, the easier access they have to the businesses and the restaurants and the other things in the area, so it's an economic development engine as well.